Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to Bike Ride Episode 8. Episode 7? I think I just deleted off everything that I got. Talking about the extra try and how I was setting up. I got the extra muse. It's with me. I shot video and I probably try to do something in PowerDirector 365. I forgot to put back the 360 to 16:9, and when the 16:9 video went in, my video went online as a 360 video. Normally PowerDirector automatically knows what video resolution and format it is, so it became a 360 video. How do you like that? We got some of the charters lit up, some are not. So what are we going fishing for? Alright, we'll see what the sign says. Blackfish, ling, and cod. Oh yeah, I don't love ling. I've had cod years ago. And blackfish is good, especially when it's made right. Dawn, sun is coming up. You're not going to see it right now, but maybe on my way back it'll already be up. Oh yeah, are the lights on in Broadway? Just two. Even the center light that they put up, these little solar lights, are not lit like the one right over here. How do they expect it to stay lit all day long? Oh, it's dawn, twilight. They shut off already. Well, there's the sunrise coming up. I'm not going to sit and wait for it. I looked online to see if it was going to be warm, if it's going to be windy. This is not 3-mile-per-hour winds. This is not warm. It's still a jacket. I just don't get it, weatherman. Can't get the weather right. The bus is not in service. Only there's no bus stop over here. But you need a fare. Required. They must be taking a nap break. There's no city bikes over here. Do you hear that noise? That's the diesel started up over there. That's how noise carries, man. He's pulling out. Let's watch him go out. That is an early 6 o'clock start. Right on time. No horn blowing either. Just start and go. He's got the megaphone going. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for takeoff. We're gonna hit orbit before you know it. Early bird catches the worm, they say. Shift gears. Let's hear that diesel roll. That's the Super Jeff. That is the boat Captain Jeff that sank last year. He's getting out there at 100 smackers. That's what it costs today, thanks to the gas hike. How many people are out there? Oh, one shipmate. He's coming to you, Fish. He's aiming right at you. Look at that bad boy. You're eating up my vlog, Captain Jeff. And off he goes. The Super Jeff Express. Let's follow Super Jeff out. Well, that's the fun of owning an action camera. I'm choking on diesel fuel because the wind is hitting me this way. Oh, you think Super Jeff is going slow? I'm going fast. You didn't think the fish could go as fast as they Super Jeff Express. We're gonna have to say bon voyage, Super Jeff. Got to see a boat go out finally early in the morning, 6 o'clock start. Oh yeah, they normally go out and they just wait for the people to come, and they're always overdue. 7, 8 o'clock, fishing season, man. You better be catching fish in order to have $100 mail. Look, Easter eggs. No, eggs. What's hatching? Baby. I'm not hanging out for the sunrise. I'm getting kicked by the 3-mile-per-hour wind. It's like more than that. Oh, what a beautiful day. We got traffic. looking at cars. He's gonna pull up to the next one and decide to give a ticket. That guy got lucky. But the guy across the street is not gonna get lucky. They know the fire hydrants. And there he goes, riding a ticket along, doing his job that you hate. Well, I'm Fish. If I got audio on this windy 3-mile-per-hour day bike ride episode 7, 8, whatever number it was, I'll see you on the next. Have a great day. I'm winded out.